Good evening. Between 5 p.m. yesterday and 5 p.m. this evening, Gujarat has had as many as 371 cases of COVID positive. Today, as many as 269 people have got discharged after successfully completing their treatment. And if you look at the recovery rate for the entire state, it has gone up to 42.5%. Some of the other cities of the state are faring extremely well. Surat, for example, has a recovery rate of 67.07%. Bhavnagar has a recovery rate of 73.68%. Vadodara, 62.66 is the recovery rate for Vadodara, and Rajkot again has a very high recovery rate of 67.07%, which is almost twice that of India, the average of our country. Today, in the same 24 hours that have elapsed until 5 p.m. today, we've had 6 people who have unfortunately died with COVID as the primary cause of death. And in the same 24 hours, we have had 18 people who have unfortunately died, but they have died with severe comorbid or underlying conditions as the primary cause of death. They also got infected with COVID, which could be called a secondary cause of death. Total positive cases in Gujarat till this evening 5 p.m. are 12,910, and out of these, as many as 5,488 people, which accounts for the 42.50 recovery rate, have actually been discharged after successfully completing their treatment. We've had, out of the active patients currently undergoing treatment in the hospitals, 52 of them are critical on ventilatory care, and 6,597 are absolutely stable either on room air or on oxygen. The total tests that Gujarat has carried out till now is 1,66,152, and the number of tests carried out in the last 24 hours is 5,380. Today, we also want to share with you 2 important pieces of information. One is the 104 helpline. For those of you who have any questions, any concerns, any problems related to health services, you may feel free to contact 104, which is a health services helpline. In special, during the COVID time, it has been designated as the fever helpline. So by contacting the 104 helpline, if you are suffering from any symptoms such as fever, cold, cough, etc., breathlessness, if you share this on the 104 helpline and give your address and location, our team of doctors, medical team would visit you and screen you, and if necessary also carry out a test. We also want to share another piece of good information. We have started implementing the protocols of homeopathy treatment for those COVID patients who have mild symptoms and are positive, and this is being done under the expert guidance of our special team of experts of the homeopathy fraternity. Under this initiative, as many as 248 patients in the civil hospital, 68 of them in the SVP hospital, 50 in the Sola hospital, 3 in Gandhinagar, 15 in Vadodara and 45 in Surat are being treated under this protocol, which is based and customized based on the patient's body constitution and the specific symptoms. We'd also like to suggest that we all work towards boosting our immunity. You may like to keep sipping hot water through the day. It is also desired that you refrain from any kind of contact with other people. When you meet the elderly and comorbid people in your home or elsewhere, we request you to take special care of washing your hands and really wearing a mask and keeping a very good amount of distance from them, social distance to be scrupulously followed. Nasya Kriya, as advocated in Ayurveda, may also be followed by those of you who are interested and who believe in it. This would entail having 2 drops of cow's ghee or the Shat Bindu Tel or even sesame oil in your nostrils twice a day, in the morning and evening. Those of you who believe and have faith and like to practice yoga may continue to do so with pranayam, meditation, and especially Surya Namaskar. This again is believed to really boost your immunity. You may also like to take herbal tea and golden milk, which is nothing but hot milk with turmeric in it. You may also like to add a dash of dried ginger to this and some pepper powder as well. And this too is a very good immunity booster. And finally, we'd also like to request all of you to download the Arogya Setu app on your mobile phones, as this will give you a complete shield. It'll protect you from the infection of COVID. We'd also like to end this by suggesting that we all remain as pleasant, happy, cheerful and positive as possible. Let's refrain from unnecessary fear, misinformation and rumor mongering that happens. Let's continue to be patient and let's learn to live with COVID as we maintain a very cheerful disposition. Namaste.